my name is Natalie. I am a respiratory therapist here with Supercare Health, and today we're going to be going over unboxing your CPAP machine. So the first things first that you're going to see when you open it out of the box is going to be the carry case. This is going to be great in the event that you need to travel with it, so you have options. Alright, so this is going to be your CPAP machine, and we are going to go ahead and connect it with the humidifier. So this is going to be your humidifier, and to connect it you will just go ahead and slide it right in. You do also have a air filter that is going to automatically come inside your CPAP machine ready to go, and this is what it looks like. Okay. The next thing I'm going to go over with you is the different tubings. So depending on your prescription, you will be prescribed one of these two tubings. The one on my left is going to be your standard tubing. The one on my right is going to be your heated tubing, and again, depending on your prescription, you will receive one of these two. The next thing that you're going to find in your carry case is going to be the power bank and the cord for your CPAP machine, and one plugs into the other, and then it will plug into the machine. The last supply that you will be receiving is going to be your mask. Depending on your prescription, you will either receive a full face mask, nasal mask, or nasal pillows. For reference, this is going to be the nasal mask here. And that is going to conclude all the supplies that you will be receiving. We hope that you sleep well and you follow us for future videos. Thank you.